Welcome. If you're looking to take control of your Instagram experience and stop people from replying to your stories, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to turn off replies to your Instagram stories using the PC app, following the latest update. This is a great way to maintain your privacy and keep your inbox free from unwanted messages. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your computer. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're in, look to the left side of your screen. Here, you'll see a menu with several icons. Find and click on the More icon. It usually looks like 3 horizontal lines, or dots, stacked together. This will open up additional options for your account. Next, from the menu that appears, select Settings. This section is where you can manage all your privacy and interaction preferences. Inside Settings, look for the option labeled Message and Story Replies. Click on it to proceed. Now you'll see a section called Story Replies. This is where you control who can interact with your stories and send you replies. By default, Instagram allows everyone who can see your stories to reply. But if you want to completely disable this feature, you're just a step away. Inside the Story Replies section, you'll see a few choices for who can reply to your stories. To turn off replies entirely, simply select the option labeled Off. Once you do this, nobody will be able to send you replies to your stories. This gives you more privacy and control over your Instagram experience. And that's it. You've successfully turned off replies to your Instagram stories on PC. If you ever change your mind, you can always revisit these settings and enable replies again. Enjoy sharing your moments without the interruptions, and make the most of your Instagram journey with more peace of mind.